What is going on, guys? This is Ajax here. Today I'm playing some Critical Ops, but with a twist. I will have my camera over here set up, and let me turn it on right now. I'm using my old camera, by the way, and every time I get a kill, I have to solve a 2x2 Rubik's Cube. I don't know how to solve these, but yeah. And I'm gonna have it scrambled, randomly doing it, eyes closed. Okay, see, randomly mixed up Rubik's Cube. Now, yes, I'm back from vacation. I am sick, stuff like that. So, yeah, now we're just gonna get into this. Let me, oh shoot. Let me have my volume up. Let's go to quick games, and we'll play deathmatch, of course. Now, depending on that, how many kills I get, I'm not good at this game at all. Like, I've only played it once. This is my second time ever playing this game. And by the way, I'm going to the doctor tomorrow, but so I probably won't solve the Rubik's Cube a lot, but if I do, I'll sync it up and record on here. So, and I have to stop in the middle of the game, anywhere I'm at, and solve it. And we gotta see how many deaths and kills I get. I'll have to turn on the camera and everything, but yeah. So let's get to playing. Hopefully this mic is pretty good. Oh shoot! Oh no, I dropped the cube. Okay, there it is. Okay, we're gonna be counter-terrorist because we have to. Now we're gonna go to assault rifles. No, let's go to shotguns. Ready? Okay. Whoa, it's a little laggy. That's because I'm recording. Let's head this way. Oh, we did not mean to shoot that. Oh. I didn't kill him? Okay, well, I died. I've never played this map. God, aiming sucks in this game. Where'd you go, buddy? Where'd he go? Ah! Turn. Am I dead? Yeah, it wouldn't let me turn. Holy crap, this game's lags. I'm running 20 FPS right now. Dude, that dude just flew. Okay, we gotta get a kill. I wanna get a Rubik's Cube solved for you guys. You get... Oh, I got him. I got him. Okay. Turning on the camera now. 3, 2, 1, sync up now. Okay. I would do this with a 3x3, but it would take way too much time. And I died again. Bam. Okay. Stop. This is gonna take forever to edit, but oh well. It's gonna make a good video, hopefully. Holy crap. Let's change guns. Oh, never mind. There, guys. Oh crap, I forgot I have to mix it up for you guys. Oh, I know you see me. Okay, I'm gonna mix it up real quick. Hurry. Oh wait, scramble. Yeah, they're flanking left. They were probably flanking left. Jeez, man. Okay, let's buy that. I'm ready. I've used this gun one time. Lag. Holy crap, man, this game is laggy. Officer Alex joined? Hey Sebastian, welcome to the game. Shoot! Well, that's game. 1 Rubik's Cube solved. 1 in 9. Hey, 1 in 9. It's not bad. Oh, there's another game. I'm gonna end it here because I'm feeling like crap. So, yeah. I just got out of the shower and it's like 11:30. I'm confused because it was just 12. Okay. But anyways, yeah. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I know we got 1 Rubik's Cube solved. Maybe we can do something. I got this fingerboard I actually unboxed in a video, and I can actually kickflip with it. I can't really show you guys, but, you know, I could do a video where I have to learn a kickflip every time. I'm not that good, but, like, I can do it most of the time. But I could do a kickflip every kill or whatever. But anyways, guys, hope you guys do enjoy. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more. It's been Ajax, and I'm out. Peace.